Marila at dalawa po ang patay na naitala po, Ma'am Marisa.
So far, it's a good news na dalawa pa lang ang namatay. Out of the 14 people that was shot, 5 of them are in critical condition. Ito yung dalawang namatay is a teenage boy and a woman. Ang mga pangalan nila is 17-year-old, ano ba to? 17-year-old Jeremiah Morris and 43-year-old Sholanda Williams. So, sabi ni Montgomery Police Chief James Graboy he said that the 7 of the gunshot victims are under 17 and the youngest is 16 years old. Kasi mga bata to, no? Nagbarilan sila sa kanya-kanilang territory. They shoot at each other with all the people around them. They did not give regard to the fact na ang daming tao doon. Wala silang pakialam. So, sabi ni Montgomery Mayor Stephen Reed said that the shooting stemmed from a disagreement that could have been avoided, but he did not elaborate. So, sabi ni Reed, there is a $50,000 reward was being offered for information leading to the arrest of the perpetrators. Graboy said that based on the preliminary investigations, the gunfire erupted when an individual targeted the shooting, returned fire. So sabi ng chief that once the shooting started, multiple people in the crowd pulled out weapon and started firing too. Talagang hindi nila inisip na there's a lot of people around them and everybody was just firing at each other.
Yes.
So as of right now, I just checked before I came online. There's no suspect yet. No suspects were in custody as of this Sunday afternoon dito, no? It's Sunday evening actually. When city officials spoke at a press conference a couple of hours ago, Graboy urged the public to submit video evidence to the police department. So one thing I want the people to be aware of, sabi niya, na if anybody has any information, you have to have the responsibility for this community to help people in this community to give information so that we can go and arrest them, sabi ni Graboy. So the chief identified the 2 people killed, na yung si 17-year-old Jeremiah Morris and Sholanda Williams. So it is really alarming, no? Kasi I have always done a lot of report with you guys with mass shooting.
Yes.
So today, I was very interested to see what's going on. As of October 5, 2025, there have been 330 mass shootings in the U.S. I was listening to this earlier that on the report that I was listening to, they were saying that there are more guns in the U.S. than people. So what I did is I went and did the research. Sabi ko, there's no way. So sabi nila as of late 2025, sabi na there is about 500 million civilian-owned firearms in the U.S. And the U.S. population is about approximately 345 to 347 million as of 2025. So every one person in America has 1.5 firearms. So, this is our amendment right, but as always, like freedom of speech is being abused, and this freedom of carrying a weapon, obviously it's being abused. Parang, although there's a lot of things that are being in place so that we can avoid all this mass shooting, but it continues, whether matatanda o bata. It seems like pag nagkakaroon na ng initan, nagbabarilan. So it's a little sad, and it's really parang wala nang kontrol ng mga tao dito. Like kung merong disagreement, magbarilan na lang, wag nang mag-usap. So it is very scary situation.
Yes. So Ma'am Marisa, dyan mismo ba sa Alabama ay pro-gun po sila dyan? I mean to say, yung pagdadala po ng baril, ay kahit po mga long firearms, pwede. Yung ginamit po ba long firearms po, ang gamit po sa pamamaril? Sabi nga po ninyo, talagang wala na silang pakialam po kung maraming tao, talagang barilan lang po sila, Ma'am Marisa.
That was the observation of the police that made the report. there is no indication what kind of firearms. Basta alam nila na mga, imagine mo mga bata to mga
Yes,
bata, basta na lang nung nagkainitan, they start shooting at each other, and then the more na they're shooting at each other, the more na everybody's pulling their firearms. A lot of
yeah.
this karamihan ng mga ganitong mga event, dapat walang mga baril kasi natural na mga bata, mga maiinit ang ulo mga yan or wala silang pasensyahan. But there are no indications of what kind of guns were used. But the fact na itong mga nabaril have some fatal or they're critical in condition, so that tells you that whatever